Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I'm doing a series of videos about how to sell more on eBay by beating your competitors' listings, as over 95% of listings on eBay are not fully optimised, and you only need to know one more optimisation technique than your competitor to beat them. This week's video is eBay title optimisation, as you can over double your traffic and eBay sales by adding more relevant keywords to your title, as I'll show you. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a 7-digit automated online dropship business from their home, from scratch, and using less than $100. So let's launch straight into it. Now, just in case there are any newbies watching this video and you're not 100% sure what an eBay title is, here's an example of an eBay listing title. The title is your description of what you're listing on eBay. And eBay allows you 80 characters in the title to describe the item that you're selling. The more relevant keywords that you fit into the 80 character title, the more traffic your listing will get, and the more you'll sell on eBay. By relevant, I mean keywords that people type into the eBay search box to find the item that you're selling. It's crucial that your title has keywords that people search for. Now, don't use keywords that nobody searches for, like look, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, or wow spelt W-O-O-O-O-W, or words like cool or hot or must see, etc. And also don't use characters that nobody searches for, like dollar signs, brackets, tildes, asterisks, etc. These keywords and characters are just wasting the 80 characters that eBay allows you to use in your title. Instead of using keywords that nobody searches for, replace them with the most searched for keywords and keyword phrases, which is what this video is all about. Over the last 20 plus years of using eBay, myself and my team, we've used and tested a gazillion different keyword tools for doing this keyword research. And being a registered eBay developer, we've also created our own keyword research tools. However, 99% of the time, you don't need to use these third-party tools for keyword research. What I'm going to show you today is all free from eBay. And it's the same strategy that myself and my team use to find more relevant eBay keywords every day. What I like about this strategy I'm going to show you now is you're getting the keywords straight from the horse's mouth, in this case from eBay. In other words, eBay is telling you what keywords people are searching for the most. Let me show you. Let's say, for example, you want to list this barbecue smoker. Step one is to go to eBay and in the search box, start typing a keyword or a keyword phrase. And as you type, eBay's autosuggestion tool automatically suggests other keywords or other keyword phrases. These keywords are automatically ranked for you with the most searched for keyword phrase appearing at the top. As you can see, after I type in barbecue or BBQ, one of the suggestions is BBQ smoker. Now, if I keep typing and adding more keywords, eBay automatically suggests more relevant keywords. Here you can see I've typed in barbecue smoker and eBay is now automatically suggesting more relevant keywords for the keyword phrase barbecue smoker. Again, these keyword phrases are all sorted for you by which is the most popular keyword phrase, with the most popular keyword phrase at the top. eBay doesn't tell you how many searches a keyword phrase gets, but it doesn't matter. All we care about is which keywords and phrases get the most traffic. Now, we can do exactly the same thing with Google. If I go to Google and search barbecue smoker, Google again auto-suggests more relevant keywords or keyword phrases. And these keyword phrases are also automatically sorted by which phrase gets searched for the most, with the phrase at the top getting the most searches. Now with Google, if you do a search for, say, barbecue smoker, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, Google has a second feature where it shows related searches. So when adding more relevant keyword phrases to your eBay title, eBay gives the most weight to the first 30 characters of the title. So put your most relevant, most searched for keywords in the first 30 characters of your 80 character title. If you want to know more about optimizing eBay listings to sell more on eBay, I'll put a link on the screen to a previous week's video explaining the 16 times rule of how to increase the sales of an eBay listing by a factor of 16. Please leave me a comment below. And while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build an automated 7-digit online business from the home from scratch using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Waterhouse.